Revonia. Ever dreamed of living in a hobbit house, or perhaps an extraordinary sire, or a banquet hall that would be all over social media? Ron's team can make the and other projects a reality. They specialize in buildings with wide ceilings, working with precast reinforced concrete modules with tile foundations already in place. The PR Maxit Mörtelpad Eco. Fighting, despite the technological advancements in construction, masons in many countries still perform about 90% of their work by hand. Consequently, the final quality relies heavily on the mason skill. The creators of the Maxit system aim to simplify their work and reduce potential errors. Masons no longer need to Pondless Waterfall. Before Aquascape, the top manufacturer of decorative ponds in America, presents an in-inning method to upgrade your yard. They offer an autonomous waterfall that doesn't require a pond. Water is stored in an underground reservoir and circulates with the help of a pump. The construction is compact and fits perfectly. Polyglass SpA waterfall. Meanwhile, at other construction sites, craftsmen use polyglass membranes for waterproofing. Each membrane is a sandwich of several layers. For instance, the anti-rise light P version is bitumen-based and incorporates earth, a non-woven material reinforced with longitudinal strands of fiberglass. The membrane also. Freedom Yurt cabin. The Yurt cabin is a compact cabin resembling a yurt that you can easily build yourself. It's a fantastic choice for individual buyers and campgrounds, as it can be lived in throughout the year. Thanks to its modular design, assembling the YK cabin takes only 3 to 5 days, with no need for heavy machinery or a concrete F.